Hello, welcome to my website. This is Project0 and in CS50 Web programming with Python and JavaScript. I'm gonna show you my project. We have here 4 pages. We have a home page which we are located now, and we have this page called cattle breeding, the third page called crop production, and the last page called decoration plants. Basically the page is about agricultural subjects because I am an agricultural technician and I'm self-taught software developer. I live in Morocco, which is located in North Africa. Okay, here in homepage we have this bootstrap card list which are linked to each page in this navigation bar. We have this card cattle breeding linked to the page cattle breeding, the same thing to crop production linked to crops production, and decoration plants linked to decoration plants. When we press, for example, this card, it takes us directly to the corresponding page. Same thing for crop production and the same thing for decoration plants. Okay. The website uses different media queries which make it responsive, and it can be viewed in different devices. As you can see, all pages are mobile responsive. I think that's it. I thank you very much for the course. I really enjoyed the materials and the lectures, and I hope you all the best. I wish you all the best, and I hope you like my website. Thank you very much.